Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well today. In today's video I'm going to be posting one of my pre-recorded videos, my pre-recorded recipe. It is a quick red snapper stew that I even forgot to post. I think I recorded it about 2 years ago, so I have decided to post it now. It is very quick, and if you like fish, especially red snapper, this is a good recipe for you. So if you are interested, please keep on watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this recipe I'm going to show you how to make a quick fried red snapper stew that you can enjoy with anything you like. If like me you are a fish lover, especially red snapper, then this recipe is for you, so do not ignore it. Watch this video with me and I'll see you next time. Bye. For this recipe I have chopped 3 medium-sized onions and I have got some rosemary. I am also using tomato puree this time, and this is 1 whole tube of tomato puree. I have also got 4 scotch bonnet peppers. I have 2 cans of plum tomatoes. I also have 1 onion, some ginger, and 4 garlic cloves. And as usual, if you want to use fresh tomatoes or chopped tomatoes, please feel free to do so. And of course I've got my fried snapper, and if you want to use another fish type, please go ahead, you can also do it. And I am also going to add some sardines, so just 1 sardine in oil. And I'm going to use Rennie fish flavor stock. This one is very good, I really love it. And I am also going to add some hot curry powder. You need some vegetable oil for your stew, and of course you need some salt. So let's get started. Heat some oil into a pan, that's my rusty pan, and add in the chopped onion. Stir it and let it saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the onions are softer, you can add in the tomato puree or tomato paste, whichever one you prefer. Stir it and leave it on for about 4 minutes. Next, add in the rosemary. If you don't like rosemary, please do not use it, but it is very nice with snapper stew. Stir it and add in 1 tablespoon of hot curry powder. Stir it again and leave it to cook for another 4 minutes on a lower heat. Next, remove the rosemary from it and add in the blended tomato with ginger, onion and garlic. Stir it and leave it on for about 20 minutes on a medium to low heat. Next, you can add in the sardines in oil if you like it like me, but you can omit it if you don't. Next, stir it gently, okay, and add in the fried red snapper or any other fish type you prefer, okay. And then again, make sure you stir it very gently so that you do not damage the fried fish, okay. You can also use tilapia for this stew, by the way. Next, add in some salt, add 1 more tablespoon of curry, the fish seasoning, 1 tablespoon. Stir it, and this time I'm also going to add some crayfish powder. I really love it, and I am going to add 1 teaspoon of crayfish powder. You can also add prawn powder if you like, or ground prawn for a stronger taste. Now add it a little bit more oil, cover it and leave it on for the last 7 to 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible, and that's it. Your quick red snapper stew, or I should say fried red snapper stew, is ready, and trust me, it's going to be tasty. If you want to add some vegetable to it, you can also do that, and I would recommend carrots, because I love carrots in stews, and of course spring onion. But you can basically add any other vegetable you like if you are a fan of vegetables, or just leave it as it is, as simple as it is, and enjoy it with anything you like. I really like to eat boiled green plantains with fish stew or yam, but it all depends on your own personal taste and preferences. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, to comment, and to share my videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Stay blessed. Bye.